fantasy of Carol. Carol's fantasy for everything.
Final fantasy.
Final destination. I mean, here in my right side, you can see Ralph Presto. Ralph Presto, and on the right side, you can see Bichan. Bichan, the anime lover. For short, hindi na kami. Yeah. And there, you can see the red the macho man. Yo, there's some interview with Steve and with Ralph.
Oo kayo ha.
Our first question. Bichan, what's our first question? Who is your first love? Who is your crush? What can you say about Ralph? What can you say about Ralph?
Bakit ba?
Is he a dog? Dali.
Kayo kayo. Lang sasabihin.
Don't make silent.
Ano yung itsura ni Ralph?
Silence is perfect.
Cute.
Cute. Bakit siya naging cute? Bakit siya naging cute?
Sino nakatext mo ngayon? Patasa nga. Sino nakatext mo ngayon?
Ito naman po ang susunod. Ang halimaw lang ba nga?
Hello? Ako, alimaw? I'm just a concerned.
Kalapsin niya to.
Ralph Presto. Ralph.
Dapat 400 may higit yan ha.
Yan ko lang kategory ng macho dancer.
Macho dancer na figure eh.
Sampol. What can you say about Ralph? Ralph?
That's when you think of health and safety. The love of life of Teen Annie Sweet Gasu.
Hindi, honest with Ralph.
No, that's not true.
Yeah, that is false.
May Annie Sweet, merong rat. Ay, wala.
Makikiusisa po tayo. Tingin po tayo sa camera mga kaibigan. Oo. Ito po si Regina. Wala.
No.
Halimaw sa banga.
Who's that? Yo, this is a special interview, you know. An interview.
Hello. What can you say about your this coming birthday?
What can you say about Winston?
Ako na.
Siya si Beret.
You're my guy.
What can you say about...
Hindi ako magtatanong. What can you say about Patrick Cloud's birthday? What can you say about him? Your message for him?
No comment.
Your message for me?
Bakit ka may kondo?
For emergency use.
For the future.
Pag-expired na.
Rin yan. Podcast na lang natin.
Ano ka ba? I-upload ka ba?
Yeah, natin yan. What can you say about Winston?
Winston.
Ano to?
What can you say about Philip? What can you say about Philip? What can you say about Marlboro?
What can you say about Keisha?
Bye-bye.
Mahal niya si Kisha.
Hoy, okay na yung ay, hindi ko pala okay Mama Donna.
Ano? Wala. What can you say about Selena Gomez?
Selena Gomez?
I love her.
Ay ka.
I love her too.
Sino ba talaga?
ka. Womanizer!
Ito na naman,
What can you say about Raz?
What? What can you say?
Happy birthday.
Nothing on you?
What can you say about this coming management week?
Ayoko mag-academic quiz week.
Ay, sinabi mo na ba yung mga topic sa kanya?
Uy, yung mga sabi, ano?
General science.
History.
Hindi pala ako.
Ano? Pamala ko lang ito, diba?
Mamutakpad?
May attendance.
Pakita natin
Ito po, ang girl na violet. What can you say about Romar and Leroy? Uy, umarap. What can you say about Romar and Leroy? No comment?
Roroy.
Roroy.
What can you say about Roroy?
What can you say about Raz?
Ano naman?
Kanina ko pa.
Hindi ka pala kasama sa
Kasi hindi naman sila nagbibigay ng comment eh.
Pero sa kape.
Hindi naman
Ano yan? What can I say about Elsa Nieta?
She's handsome.
Handsome.
What can you say about Kingston?
Oo nga,
What can you say about Mara?
Tama na. Ay, sorry. Jer, what can you say about Mara daw?
yung salbahe ako.
Mara, I will interview you. Now na. What can you say about yourself? But you're happy.
Ay, ba yun naman yung ano yan?
Happy. Why don't you join the singing contest?
Favorite color?
Bard, about you. Why don't you join Frisbee? Interview. What can you say about Elsa Del Meneza? Philip, what can you say about Elsa Del Meneza? What can you say about Elsa Del Meneza? Sabi ni Mara, thank you daw sa pag-upload. Brett, what can you say about yourself? I know. I'm full of talent. I'm full of personality. And thank you very much. What can you say about Kim? Kim. What can you say about Kim? Kim? Yeah. Kim is my nickname. Okay. About you, Rachel, what can you say about yourself? How about you, Alberto? Rex. Mr. Alyare, what can you say about Miss Salvacion? Baboy. Hey, fat hot mama. What can you say about yourself? Raika, what can you say about yourself? What can you say about Philip?
Ang yaman ng Philip. Wala nang salbahe pa.
Wala tuka. What can you, all of you, what can you say about Anthony? Right, mate? Check.
Bakit kami na? Ito naman. Sige.
Ano pa kaya yan? Hey, what can you say about yourself?
Get it, Mom.
No matter what they say.
That's what they say.
But... Yuki, what can you say about yourself?
Wala na ko.
How about you, Maribel? Guys, this is Maribel, yeah. Yuki, what's your talent for the pageant? You will inspire. My God. About you, what's the talent of your in the pageant? Okay, rehearsal tayo, Philip, ha? Give me cute. Hey, ate, what can you say about yourself?
All I can say is that I'm so pretty, gorgeous, so perfect.
You know, Clarence, your wet look.
I am the best because I'm hot. Joke lang yun.
About you, Eileen. Can you say about yourself? Edward, what can you say about yourself?
Nothing. Nothing.
How about you, Romar? What can you say about pizza? Ikaw, Lester, what can you say about yourself? How about you, Caroline? What can you say about yourself?
Sira yung camera mo. Gana.
You're the director, so you're not in the scene. Can you see a director in the scene?
Yes.
Wala ko din. So feeling mo ito.
Feeling mo, ding-dong dates ka? Boy, what can you say about yourself? How about you, Regina?
I'm cute.
Who are you?
Ano na-replyan ako ni Juan?
Why are you in this class?
Baka na may classmate yung ako.
Are you sure you're my classmate? Yeah? But I don't know you.
I don't know.
Oh, ano na naman yan?
Arte lang ako.
Hindi mo. La.
Duda.
13 minutes. Hello, Alex Janisha. Hey, guys, our sorry.
Oh, naturally, I'm here before pa.
From India.
No.
You're from Hong Kong, China? Are you sure? Is Hong Kong located in China? Alin? Ano ka ba? Di ba na kayo, Ophelia? Elsen, asan yung otaku? Kay Patrick. Sabihin kay Patrick eh. Asan? Wala. Wala, ba't ako mag-aatap? Ano ka ba? Mahirap mga ulit ng otaku. Wala. Mahirap mga kumuha ng pare. Meeting ka ngayon.
Totoo naman.
Oo, mahirap na maghanap ng director.
Madali lang.
Ay,